this is a finite automata given and we need to convert it into regular expression by using state elimination method. So what is our first rule? Here you need to check whether initial state contains any incoming edge or not. Yes, if you observe this Q0, it is having incoming edge. So here initial state, it has incoming edge. So if this is the case, what we'll do? Here you need to create one new state and make it as the initial state. So let us create new state. And you can write remaining expression as it is. Okay? That's it. And after this, step 2 is check whether your automata contains more than one final state. So here you have only single final state. So no need to apply rule 2. Rule 3 is, what is rule 3? Check if the outgoing edge contains check if the final state contains any outgoing edge. Yes, here we have outgoing edge from Q1 to Q0. So you need to create one final state. So I am writing it here, Qi epsilon Q0 A Q1, here it is B, D, C, and create one. So now this is not the final state. Create one new state and call it as final state. Place epsilon. Okay, why we did this step? Because your final state contains outgoing edge. So in order to, if you have that problem, then we need to create one new state and you need to make it as final state according to our rule 3. Now step 4 is you need to start eliminating the states. So let us eliminate states one by one. So at the end, you should contain Q0, Qi and Qf, only 2 states. So first let us eliminate this Q0. Okay, how to eliminate this? So here we have A star B from Q0. So let us write Qi derives epsilon into, this is A star and this is B, which is going to Q2. Okay. So you can directly create the path to Q2 now. So this is Q1. Now, so here you can write this C as it is. But what about this D? D is the outgoing edge which is going to state Q0. So we can't eliminate this D like this. So we need to create a path like this. So the path which leads to this state Q1. So the path is D, A star, B, which is going to Q1. And why we need this? As we eliminated this, we are creating path from initial state to Q1. So we need to include this step also. So I create one self loop and write this as D. This is A star and B. You can write final state. So this is step 3. Step 4 is, here if you have anything like this, I told you, if you have Q0, Q1 in this way, then that is nothing but A plus B. So here you can add both of them. Okay. So let us add both of them. Take Qi, Q1, this is Qf. So epsilon into A star B is A star B. D A star B. So it should contain C star plus, keep it as like this, D A star B. Okay. Now I want to eliminate this state Q1. So that can be written as Qi. So create one path from initial state to final state, and here this notation is nothing but multiplication or concatenation. So write it as A star B C star plus D A star B. So this is our step 5. So step 5 contains only 2 states. And what is our final regular expression? The string which is present in this path. So which is A star B into C star plus D A star B. This is your final regular expression. So this is your step 1. This is step 2. Step 3. Step 4. And this is step 5. This is your final answer.